Chemical control of insects. Poison baits. Typically, a bait consists of a base material called a carrier, often grain or animal protein, plus a toxicant. Most often, insecticides such as organophosphates, carbamates, or pyrethroids, and sometimes an additive, usually oil, sugar, or water, to increase attractiveness. The toxicant part of a bait can also be biological rather than chemical. Examples of biological toxicants are Bacillus thuringiensis, parasitic nematodes, and fungi. Many baits are not highly attractive to the insect but instead function as an arrestant. So, for the preparation of this, we need a carrier or a base material plus a toxicant and sometimes an additive, usually oil or something, to increase attractiveness. Toxic baits are often environmentally friendly, inexpensive methods of insect control. Like little or no insecticide drift is associated with baits and there is minimal. Fogging concentrates. Fogging concentrate is ideal for clean out situations and kills a broad spectrum of commercial and residential pests including cockroaches, stored product pests, flies, spiders, ants and fleas featuring a dual synchronized formula provide enhanced control of pests. Then chemical fogging, particularly H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide fogging, is an efficient and effective way to sanitize a controlled or indoor environment. The hydrogen peroxide itself is a powerful decontaminant and when released in an aerosol form, it is capable of achieving a 6 log kill. The insecticide used in the mosquito fogging is a synthetic pyrethroid that is very similar to insecticides used in most domestic insect spray cans that are found on supermarket shelves. Fogging is not only ineffective in controlling mosquito populations but potentially harmful to human health. The chemical pesticides used in fogging and spraying are neurotoxins that can adversely affect the nerve system of humans, companion animals, and birds, among others. Then granulus. Granules are a formulation where the pesticide is impregnated in an organic material such as sand, clay, or some other dried substance that can be sprayed. Most granules are activated once they become wet and are known to have a long residual effect where applied. Granules is a kind of oral solid dosage commonly used in drug, especially in traditional Chinese drug. It is also one of the commonly used dosage forms for children. Granules can be swallowed directly or washed into the water for drinking. The distribution of granules in water is different. LP granules. Bifin LP granules is ready to use granule insecticide that controls many types of insects like fleas, ticks, and fire ants. It is ideal to use on tufts and lawns around residential or commercial areas. LP is easy to apply and provide long lasting effects. Fumigants. Common fumigants used to treat stored products or nursery stock include hydrogen cyanide, naphthalene, nicotine, and methyl bromide. Soil fumigants commonly used as nematicides are methyl bromide, dichloropropane, then propylene oxide, dibromochloropropane, organophosphate insecticides, and chloropicrin. Chloropicrin is a powerful tear gas. It is one of the most toxic to insects of the fumigant community used today. It is sometimes added in small proportions to other fumigants. Hydrogen cyanide and methyl bromide to serve as a warning agent. Chloropicrin. Fumigation is the measured process of application, exposure, and dissipation of toxic chemical in its gaseous state with the purpose of control of target pests in a product or enclosure. Ultra low Bodleian concentrations. The term ULV is actually derived from insecticide used in agriculture and is defined as sprays applied as 0.5 gal per acre. Gallon, I guess. So 4.7 liter per hectare or less. Hectare, I guess. I'm not sure. So I prefer you guys to just check this. ULV formulations, which are usually technical grade products with little or no solvent, are utilized for controlling public health, agriculture, and forest pests. Mosquito adulticides at CMMCP are applied as ultra low volume ULV sprays. ULV sprays dispense very fine aerosol droplets that stay aloft and kill flying mosquitoes on contact. ULV stands for ultra low volume sprays. When applied with ULV equipment via truck, backpack, foggers, or plane, adulticides remain suspended in the air as fine aerosol droplets. These droplets kill mosquitoes on contact as they fly through the target area. The primary benefit of ULV sprays is adulticide optimization. ULV insecticide formulations are oil and not water based and typically applied as a dose rate of 1 liter per hectare. Oil based ULV insecticides are applied by specific nozzles called atomizers. Aerosol. Pest control aerosol is when liquids contain an insecticide to target pests. Aerosol cans contain two different substances, the liquid product, in this case the insecticide, and a pressurized gas called a propellant that helps to push the liquid product into the air and turn it into an aerosol cloud. Insecticide aerosols are bug sprays that contain active pesticides and other inert ingredients that kill insects. Bug sprays in an aerosol form produce less waste than other insecticides because they are metered and each spray is designed to deliver a specified amount of poison. Aerosols are used in cosmetics such as hairspray, deodorant sprays, foaming agents, sprays, and sunscreen, etc. In addition, they are used in healthcare as disinfectants, inhalants, aesthetic preparations, etc. Sea spray, mineral dust, smoke, and volcanic ash are all primary aerosols. Secondary aerosols are aerosols which were emitted in another form, like gases, then become aerosol particles after going through chemical reactions in the atmosphere, such as sulfate aerosols from volcanoes or industrial emissions. Safety aerosol containers are hermetically sealed, their contents cannot leak. Resource efficiency, aerosol containers are designed to deliver the right amount of product exactly where it's needed. Using an aerosol package reduces waste and post consumer aerosol containers are recyclable.